Lumberjacking requires skill and courage. However, this job is both very difficult and very dangerous. Care must be taken and safety precautions must be taken when cutting down trees. Otherwise, you will find yourself looking for a place to escape like this man. I guess following the rules doesn't protect us enough. Sometimes bad luck finds you even when you're standing still. The ground under the truck is literally giving up. The giant vehicle is slowly sliding towards the river waters. My heart came to my mouth as I watched. Oh my God, this is a really dangerous situation. Luckily, no one was hurt in this incident. Even when emptying soil, professionalism is required. This is what happens when you get this close to the cliff.
É uma esteira agora pra puxar. É, homem barbeiro. Tomar demônio. Esse é o homem barbeiro aí, ó. Vai lá dentro da água.
Here's another interesting situation. The giant tractor, deeply stuck in the mud, was standing there helplessly, as if it had lost all hope. Then the excavator appeared on the scene. With incredible strength and skill, it took all of our breath away as it pulled the tractor out of the mud. The truck, standing motionless in the snow, seemed to have resigned to its fate. At that very moment, a tank appeared on the scene and pulled up next to the tractor as if to say, "Leave this to me," and rescued the truck. When the giant truck got stuck in the mud, people around thought, this is over, there is no escape. But when the excavator came, things changed. With its giant bucket, it seemed to say to the truck, "Come on, man, we will do it together," and won the battle with the mud. The images are from Turkey, showing giant machines carrying a historical building. Isn't it magnificent? This heavy-duty truck glides along the roads like a giant carrying tons of cargo. Every turn, every movement requires a separate mastery, and this huge machine achieves the impossible by combining power and balance. Look at the transportation process of this huge machine. When you see it, you can't believe your eyes. Everyone was amazed at how this huge load was carried as it moved slowly but steadily. Carrying tons of weight under its wheels, the truck made its power felt with every meter. As it moved along the road with its gigantic load, breaking the silence of the air, it was as if it was saying, "I can do the difficult. The impossible takes time." The heavy transport truck, carrying the huge equipment on it, was proudly advancing like the leader of an army of machines. Carrying such a large load so gracefully is truly a combination of skill and power. Moving a wind turbine blade from one place to another requires more than just horsepower. It is a true test of logistics and expertise. The sight of moving such a large aircraft part is a reminder of the skill required for these unique jobs. This huge truck is moving along the road, carrying a huge Caterpillar truck and moving with perfect balance to make sure everything goes smoothly at all times. Watching this, we realize once again how impressive the power of heavy-duty machines and the carrying capacity of this truck are. The huge power of the excavator is enough to pull the truck on the snow-covered road. It is as if these machines were designed to help each other in difficult natural conditions. These trucks are famous not for their speed but for their durability. Their ability to move comfortably even on muddy and slippery roads is amazing.